everyone, welcome back to our another episode of Friday First Cut Show. I am Pooja Shukla, tax consultant at Fintu. So today's topic is how to file your income tax return with Form 16. In this video, I will show how to file a return step by step. First, we have to log in on www.incometax.gov.in. Now, after the login, click on File Now. Select the assessment year, that is 21-22. Select mode of filing, that is online mode, and click on the continue button. Now click on the start new filing. After clicking on the individual, click on the continue button. Select the ITR form, that is ITR 1. Now click on the proceed with ITR 1. Now click on the let's get started. Now click on the other button. After that continue. Here you can see your personal details like your PAN number, your name and your date of birth. You can verify this and you can edit your address and mobile number, email address if you want. Now select the nature of employment. If you are a central government or state government, or if you are a private employee, you can select other. After that you can click, there is an option of are you opting for new tax regime under section 115 BAC. If you are choosing new regime or old regime, you can select yes or no option. So I am here selecting no. For the new regime and old tax regime, if you want better clarity, you can check our video mentioned in the I button. Click on the select for refund. Okay, and after clicking on the confirm button, the personal information data will be confirmed. After that, click on the gross total income. Here number of questions will be there. You can select as per your availability or your data. But in that case, I am skipping the questions. So here you can see we have pre-filled this value from Form 16 wherever applicable. If the data is not showing here, you can edit your gross salary or your investment details. Now first we will start the salary portion. The first one is salary as per section 17A. So in Form 16, we can see there is amount of 82,59,443 salary as per provision contained in section 17A. So I will put this amount on first column. After that, value of perquisites as per section 17(2). So here is the amount 4343109. 4343109. After that, you can take your allowances like your HRA, your leave travel allowances. But in my case, there is no allowance, so I will skip that. So my net salary will be 1 crore 26 lakh. You can see it is matching with my Form 16, that is 1 crore 26 lakh. After that, it will be already considered standard deduction of rupees 50,000. After that, I will put data of 2,500, that is PT, professional tax under section 16(3). I will click on save button. Now income chargeable under the head of salary 1 crore 25 lakh 50,000. It is matching with my Form 16. You can see income chargeable under the head salaries, that is 1 crore 25 lakh 50,000. After that, I will enter deduction under section chapter 6A. You can see there is an option of income from house property, but in my case there is no house property, so I will skip that. Now there is an option of income from other sources. In that case, you can enter your saving bank interest or your FD interest. After that, last option is exempt income. In that case, if you have any exempt income like interest on PPF, you can enter in that. After that, I will click on confirm button. So my gross total income is 1 crore 31 lakh. After that, you can see there is a gross total income of rupees 1 crore 25 lakh 50,000 and it is matching with my Form 16. You can see there is a gross total income 1 crore 25 lakh 50,000. Now I will enter my deductions like ATC, LIC and ATD, that is Mediclaim and all. Now in Form 16, you can see there is a deduction in respect of life insurance premium contribution to Provident Fund under section ATC and amount is 2,84,901. So I will enter here. Are you eligible to claim deduction in respect of payments towards life insurance premium or public provident fund? So I will click here yes and I will enter total amount, that is 2,84,901. After that, in my form 16, there is a deduction in respect of health insurance premium under section 80D, that is 23,719. So I will enter here. Now there is an option of 80D, so I will click on edit button. As you can see, there is a 23,719 of 80D, so I will enter here. Now click on save. Now, as you are aware that ATC limit is 1,50,000, we can claim 1,50,000. Now you can see the total deduction amount is 1,73,709 and it is matching with form 16, 1,73,719. After that, I will click on confirm button. Now there is an option of tax paid. I will click on this tab. You can see in this form 16 the total TDS has been deducted of rupees 42,16,378. Now in the portal you can see details of tax deducted at sources, that is on salary income. It is matching with my form 16, that is 42,16,378. You can verify your data with your form 26 AS also. After that we can click on confirm button. After that you can see the total tax liability is matching with my total tax paid, that is 45,36,210. After that you can click on proceed button and your return will be filed. I hope I have cleared all the doubts related to your form 16. For more such videos, do share, like and subscribe our channel.